Okay, so conditional entropy and entropy, this is very important. Let's come to the next one. Similarly, if we, as I have told you, that on the basis of different statistical measures, we do have different type of decision tree. So when we use information gain, then that decision tree you will get because of that is known as IDT or C4.5. Right. Now you take a screenshot of this, try to understand what's going on. Okay, this is your today's assignment. You have to find out the steps involved in IDT or C4.5 decision tree algorithm. Just you need to remember the basic facts about that algorithm of about a decision tree I have discussed. Only thing difference is that here we are using information gain for the dividing or splitting purpose. Okay, the same example you can do with this one also. Then next thing is that you can also use Gini index. Okay, so go through it also, Gini index. If we use Gini index, then our decision tree will be known as CART. And the formula for Gini index is this one. Okay, here Pj stands for the relative frequency of class J in our set. So if a data set D is split on A with two subsets D1 and D2, then the Gini index will be summation of this D1 by D, Gini D1, and D2 by D, Gini D2. So overall,